raised beds today. It's gonna be a little bit different. So I'm gonna make these raised beds about, I don't know, 24, 2.5 feet tall. What we're gonna do is we're gonna line the inside of the box so we don't have to fill it with soil from the bottom all the way to the top. It's a quick trick to doing that, and I'm gonna share with you guys in just a few minutes. Let's check it out. 2x4s are $3.91. We're building raised beds. $2 a board we're gonna save if we get these 3x8s. Let's get these 3x8s, man. We got another tip here. I wanted to do 8-foot beds. These are the sideboards. I was gonna do 8-foot beds. They are $2.50 a board. So guess what? We're doing 6-foot beds. I'm building this for myself. I don't have a specific size I have to have. So hey, we'll save a little money, be a little smarter. This is called dog ear because it's been treated and it'll last you 25 years for $1.68 versus paying for cedar wood. So we load it down with the wood. We got our wood back here. Also stopped by the dollar store and got some landscaping fabric. Hey guys, there's no need to go buy the expensive landscaping fabric. It's just gonna go on our chicken wire, right? What we're gonna use to keep from having to fill our beds up all the way from the bottom. So it's not going to stop weeds. It's just gonna keep our dirt from falling through those little bitty holes. All right, so I made all my cuts. This come out of 7 2x4s, well 3x8s. Sorry. So the boards was 8 foot long. I cut them in 6-foot pieces right here because that's going to be how long our bed is. So that's going to be our frame. This is going to be our legs. We got 6 of those, and these are going to be all our braces. And I'm going to explain to you how we're going to put it together. Now you can do it how you want to do it, but this is how I'm going to do it. And over there is our dogwood that we're going to use for our facing. All right. So what I did on my workbench is I took my 3-foot pieces and my 2-foot. This is going to be the width of my bed, my 2-foot. We're going to screw these legs in here. We're not screwing in the bottom. I just got this set so it'll be level while I'm screwing. We're going to take us a level, put it across it, make sure it's straight. And we're going to pre-drill the holes in so we won't crack our wood. What I did, I got that side screwed in. We're gonna come down here 10 inches. We're gonna put our, that's gonna be the bottom of our bed. All this is going on the inside. But this is gonna be the bottom of our, all right, so you're probably gonna need help to do this part. So there it is, like I explained. It's 3 foot height. We put that brace on the top. That's the main level. Then that's gonna be the depth of our bed right there. The 10 inches right here. So all I did was took a pilot hole, pre-drill my holes, put me a 3-inch screw over there. I came over here, did the same thing. Now I'm gonna put a couple more screws in here to support it. All right, so we got our frame all the way around the top, like I said. Now we're gonna install our middle piece. We're gonna measure out 3 feet. This is a 6-foot bed. We're gonna measure out to the 3 feet mark, and that's where we're gonna line our middle pieces up. And once we line the middle pieces up, we'll come back, put that top brace down at that bottom piece right here to give us more support and create our bed effect. So now we got our frame for our bed. Now we're gonna put our dogwood that's over there on the ground. We're gonna put that on the outside. The only way we can put our facing on here flush is we gotta have something to screw in right here in this gap. So we're just gonna cut us some blocks. You know what I mean? Don't have to be perfect. As you can see, we got all the blocks nailed in. What I did with this corner block, rather than putting blocks on the front side and on the back side up there, so I can use it to nail on this side and on this side at the same time. Pre-drill your holes, people. I got a little lazy. That's what happens when you don't pre-drill your holes. Your wood will split. Of course, I pre-drilled the rest of them. So we're gonna take this right here. Chicken wire, poultry netting, whatever you want to call it. We got it 24 inches. We're gonna roll it across that bottom. We're gonna staple it in. So basically all we did is we rolled it out, right? Went in here, staple gun, and we staple down this sides. The girls decided to come out here and help me. They help me most of the time. But I got Mia hammering and Mama stapling. Since everybody gonna be eating out of here, it's only fair that everybody get a little bit of work out of there. But you see how we did it? Pull it to the side, pull it a little snug, and just staple. Staple right there, baby. That big gap we got right there. My baby's coming behind, making sure all the staples are nailed in good. All the way around. And we're gonna throw that fabric on next. Alright, so when you're putting your fabric in your bottom, you want to make sure that you got enough slack in your sides. So when you fill it with dirt, if it was tight, it's gonna rip your staples out across the top. So this is the final part of our box. We're ripping the boards. We're gonna close it in. See how it looks? We're gonna take and we're gonna cut our boards, rip it in, cover that up. Make a little bit more professional look. Not necessary, but we wanted to do it. So there we go. Box completed. Cased in the top, make it look a little bit nicer.